In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Slides to Canva in just about 5 minutes. If you've been wondering how to take your presentations from Google Slides and bring them into the flexible and design-friendly environment of Canva, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Canva account. Head over to Canva's website, and if you're not automatically logged in, just click on the login button to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by Canva's welcoming dashboard, a place where creativity meets design. Now, once logged in, it's crucial to have your Google account ready as well. This is because we'll be accessing Google Slides via Google Drive, making it a seamless process. If you're already logged into your Google account, great. If not, take a moment to do so. From the Canva dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Projects tab. This is where all your Canva creations live. But since our mission today is to import a presentation from Google Slides, we're going to add something new to our projects. Look for the Add New button. It's your gateway to importing external designs into Canva. Clicking on Add New will unfold various options, but our focus will be on Import from App. This feature is a gem. It allows Canva to fetch content from other applications, including Google Drive, where our Google Slides presentation is stored. Upon selecting Import from App, you'll see a list of available applications to import from. Find and click on Google Drive to proceed. This step is where the magic of integration happens, allowing us to bridge our content from Google's ecosystem into Canva's creative space. Once you're in your Google Drive, navigate to the Google slide you wish to import. A simple click on your desired slide will select it for uploading. Then look for the Upload button. This is the final push that brings your slide into Canva's realm. Clicking Upload initiates the transfer, and in moments your Google slide will be part of your Canva workspace. After the upload completes, you might be eager to see your slide in action within Canva. You can either click on View to see it immediately, or if you're someone who likes to keep things organized and prefer to find it among your Canva projects, simply scroll down until you locate your newly imported slide and select it. And just like that, you've successfully transferred a Google slide into Canva. Now what awaits you is the fun part, editing. Canva offers a plethora of design tools and elements to enhance your presentation. Feel free to explore, experiment, and elevate your slides to new heights of creativity. Remember, transferring your slides to Canva not only opens the door to more design possibilities, but also allows you to tap into Canva's user-friendly interface and extensive library of graphic elements. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, Canva empowers you to bring your ideas to life in a visually compelling way. That wraps up our quick guide on transferring Google Slides to Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't hesitate to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Happy designing.